Hi, this is Dr. Mark Royer. I'm an ear, nose, and throat surgeon at Schneck ENT. I'm really excited as I begin seeing patients at Schneck because we have such a wide variety of tools that we can provide to help them feel better and live better, higher quality lives. Whether that's a patient who hasn't been able to breathe through their nose for years, or someone who's been struggling from chronic sinus problems, or even kids who can't hear or their speech isn't developing because they constantly have fluid in their ears. Really excited to be able to offer all of that to the community in a location that is close by home and has a number of staff members, an entire team that's ready to provide care to their friends and family and their neighbors. I find the most rewarding part of my job are the times that I'm able to see a patient who's been struggling with a problem for a long time and didn't think there was anything else that could be done, and then to be able to offer them solutions to feel better. Oftentimes we see that with kids who have chronic ear infections or snoring and not sleeping and not doing well at school as a result. And we're able to do a quick and safe procedure to get them back on track. It's also rewarding when I have adult patients who've missed work or school or have daily headaches from chronic sinus issues, and we're able to offer them an approach that allows them to quickly get back into their work without all of the bad things they've heard about sinus surgery in the past. There's no nasal packing, there's no significant bleeding, there's no long-term recovery. So I find that really exciting and rewarding as an ear, nose, and throat specialist. Well, I hope that my patients say about me that I was, number one, on time to my appointments. That's something that's very important. Everybody's time is valuable, especially parents who have young children and are bringing them into the clinic room. As a parent to young children myself, I understand the difficulty with making those visits. And so I hope, number one, they say that I'm prompt. And I also hope that they understand and feel and believe that I'm empathetic as well to what's going on. I really do feel and personalize a lot of the stories my patients tell me and have great happiness when they feel better. Well, when I'm not busy taking care of patients and their ENT issues, I really love spending time with my family. My wife is also an ear, nose, and throat doctor, and we have kids that love being outside and outdoors. We live nearby Schneck on one of the lakes, and this year have really gotten into wakeboarding and snorkeling. So that's something that I love to do with our kids and family when we're not busy at work. I think the most important piece of health advice that I'd like my patients to know is that those symptoms that you're having that affect your quality of life in a negative way, such as difficulty breathing through your nose, chronic sinus infections, difficulty hearing, ringing in your ears, difficulty swallowing, those aren't symptoms that you need to live with. We have many approaches to figure out what's going on and to make our patients feel better.